I'm at CES 2020 at the Segway 9bot booth where I'm trying out for the very first time the S-Pod right behind me. For safety, I'm gonna put on a helmet. Wish me luck.
There you go.
This is always my best look. All right, so there's 3 wheels here right now. I'm balanced on the 3 wheels. The power button's right here. I'm gonna do 1 press to turn it on. So it's on, and I can feel now I'm balancing. Now I have not touched the joystick, which is right here. I've got a joystick for control, forward, back, left, right. I've also got right in here, I've got a tablet, which is for remote control, which is also kind of cool. We can go up to 24 miles per hour in the future. Right now, 7 miles per hour. Wish me luck, I should be fine. Now I'm doing a gentle push here. This is fun. Get the hang of So this is very different than, I've ridden a lot of Segways. This is very different because one of the things is the turn. So watch the way I turn here. Back up a little bit. Watch the way I turn.
You can just push a little and keep level more slowly.
Yeah, I'm still getting the hang of this. So here we go. How am I doing?
This device is using the center of gravity kind of resistance.
I mean, the way he's doing like
I'm not doing, it's shifting. Every time I move, I'm gonna get a little closer so I can explain this. Every time I move this joystick, I'm moving the center of gravity, as opposed to if you've ever ridden a Segway, you usually use your body. Well, I can't use my body, so I've got to use this joystick, which is doing something on the inside of here, because underneath this is Segway technology, which we first saw in like 2000, all right? So almost like 20 years ago, we first saw it. This is where it's going, personal mobility. Where would I go? Parks, theme parks, airports. Maybe someday in the future, I'll go outside of that, but this is the future of mobility. All right, I'll see you guys at CES. Right here. All right, now I'm going to press the button and turn the baby on. I'll have to get used to that. There you go.